Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, how to fix a mouse that keeps double-clicking when you only click once. To start, open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and open it. Expand Mice and Other Pointing Devices, right-click on your mouse, choose Uninstall Device, and confirm. If you see more than one mouse listed, uninstall all of them. Once that's done, unplug your mouse, plug it back in, and check if the issue is resolved. If the problem still persists, go back to the Start menu, open Settings, select Bluetooth and Devices, scroll down and click Mouse, then open Additional Mouse Settings. Lower the double-click speed to around 1/4, go to Pointer Options and disable Enhance Pointer Precision, then click Apply and OK. Next, open File Explorer, click the three dots at the top, select Options, and under Click Items as follows, choose Single Click to open an item, then apply the changes. If your mouse is still double-clicking, the issue may be caused by dust inside the buttons, so firmly press each button for about 10 seconds, click rapidly to loosen it, and gently clean around the buttons with a cloth. And that's it. That's how you can fix mouse double-clicking on a single click. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you out, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.